Hey, and welcome to another SoulFULL summary. Today we are diving into the powerful teachings of Neville Goddard in this book called Feeling is the Secret, okay? We're going to explore the profound insights on the law and its operation, the role of feeling, and the power of your prayers and the significance of your dreams, okay? So let's dive right into the transformative wisdom found within these pages, okay? So up first is law and its operation. According to Neville Goddard, there is a fundamental law at work in the universe. Understanding and aligning ourselves with this law, we can consciously create our lives and manifest our desires. Number 2 would be the power of feeling. He emphasizes the importance of feeling in this creative process, okay? It is not enough to just think about your desires. You have to feel them as they are already your reality. And by cultivating the corresponding emotions, you actually intensify the manifestation process, which actually makes it work. No feelings, no manifestation, okay? Our feelings are the magnetic force that attracts these experiences that aligns with our emotional states. So it's always essential to infuse your desires with positive emotions like joy, gratitude, love, all of that. Number 3 would be the significance of your prayers and your dreams. In The Feeling is the Secret, Goddard highlights the transformative power of prayers and dreams. Prayer, as understood by him, is not a plea to an external deity that's over you. It's actually an affirmation of your desired reality, having what you desire already, allowing you to shift your consciousness and align with your true self and have your wish fulfilled. He also emphasizes the significance of our dreams or the subconscious, which is the state akin to sleep, which is of the utmost importance when you are manifesting. By thinking positively before you fall asleep, which is the cause, you can perceive your desires when you wake up, which is the effect. So, remember, the key to unlocking the power lies within all of us. In understanding this law, harnessing your power and your feelings, utilizing your dreams and your prayers, you are able to manifest of the highest desires. So that concludes this SoulFULL summary. And you can apply these principles in your life and manifest your desires that aligns with your highest, utmost aspirations. If you found this summary valuable and you want to hear more that are just as valuable, go to YouTube or look on my page right now for more SoulFULL summaries, for more insightful reviews. Look at the full audiobook that's linked on the channel, as well as if you would like to read the book, you can check that on our YouTube as well. Thank you, Energy.